Hey guys, sorry if I sound different. I'm just home from the Bonfire that was at the Rangers in Bone Square, going face painted, and yeah, I was like my eyes were watering, and my mom told me to cry out, so I had to, and my throat's just really sore. Now it's come with the video. So, what are you guys dressing up as for Halloween? I know it's the 10th of July and Bonfire Night's tomorrow night. Last year was like bigger than it was this year. And yeah, I will be doing a YouTube video that definitely. But I'm not going to make this video too long. But I'm dressing up as the Verge Candy Girls election year. Yeah, my brother Cole might be dressing up as Uncle Sam. And I'm dressing up as the Kiss Me girl. Sorry. And then my other friends are just gonna dress up as the other ones. So make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave in the comments down below who are you dressing up, who or what are you dressing up as Halloween. Love you guys. Bye.